This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the primary mouse button in the Debian Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on the Debian Linux desktop now. To change your primary mouse button, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner. I'm going to click right up here. Then I'm going to choose the little gear wheel that is Settings. I have Settings opened up now. Next thing I'm going to do in this little dialog box that opens up, I'm going to the pane on the left side, I'm going to scroll down to where I see it says Mouse and Touchpad and click on Mouse and Touchpad. Then on the center pane, right up here under General, Primary Button. By default your primary button is probably the left side, but if you want to turn on the right side, click on the right side. Now your primary mouse button is on the right side. If you want to change it to the left side, click on the left side. That is how to change your primary mouse button in the Debian Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.